Good evening, guys. We have already uploaded two programs to add two numbers, one by using the scanner class and the second one where we have fixed two values 300 and 500 to add two numbers. Right now we'll be subtracting two values by giving inputs through parameters, or we can say it is a parameterized input program. We will not be taking up any scanner classes, and we will not be also fixing up any values, but we'll take inputs during runtime just before the program execution starts. So we'll start writing the code right now. Let's begin. First we'll click over here on this white section and we'll select new class. We'll write subtract two values and click on OK. We'll drag this class over here and we'll double click on it to open the code window. Again we'll delete this code which is not necessary, and these. We'll not be taking up any import section for this, which is not necessary, as we'll be taking up parameterized input. Now let's begin to write the code. Let's start. Public here, guys, int a and int b, these two are the parameterized values or the variables that we'll be taking. Okay, now the values that we'll be inputting will be stored in this a and b, which will be supplied inside the program, or will be the data or the values that we'll be inputting will be supplied or will be transferred to the program execution or the code that we'll be writing here. We'll only write C. We'll only declare a single variable over here in C to store the result in it. C is equal to A minus B, and we will print the result. We have written the code. Now we'll compile the program over here. See, class has been compiled without any syntax error. Now over here I'd just like to say one thing. In this system.out.print line, we have used a concatenation operator over here, as I have selected it. Now I want to display the two values that will be given up during inputs in this output statement, which will make this output line a little more meaningful, a little more informative. Okay, now we have used this plus operator, which is the concatenation operator for this print statement over here, and we have again used this plus over here to display these two variables A and B, and a C or the result has also been concatenated with this print statement with this plus operator. Now we'll close this code window. We'll right click over here and select this void main. See, the parameter or input box has come up. We'll give here two values, 100 and 50, let's say, and we'll click on Okay, see, the output has come. The difference between 100 and 50 is 50. Let's try with some other output or other inputs. Now we'll give some other values, as well as say 300 and 200. This 300 is getting saved in int A as it is written beside it, and this 200 is getting saved in int B, and these two values are subtracted and stored in the int C, which is displayed. Let's click on OK. See, the result is again displayed. The difference between 300 and 200 is 100. In this program, we have not used scanner. We have used parameterized input to give any values and to get the difference in between them. Thank you, guys.